Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. Hi subbies and hi new people. We are a mother and daughter duo that likes playing in hair and makeup. That's me and Cray. Chocolate Snow Bunny. Cray wants to make sure you're looking at her. She is moisturizing her skin. This is something that you should always do prior to any makeup application. She's adding some primer, and the primer is by Maybelline. All items used in this is listed down below. Now we're starting on those eyebrows. We're doing something a little different this time that we've seen on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We're using Elmer's glue to help keep the eyebrows in place. It's not hazardous to your skin or anything. This is the glue that's made for children, so you can also eat it. It's non-toxic. And look how that glue shaped those eyebrows. She's adding a little color, adding some hair strokes to fill in where the hairs might be sparse. Now she's contouring her eyebrows. And as in previous videos, she always uses two different contours, a lighter color below and a darker color above. The lighter color is used to help with the eyeshadow application. She's blending out the contour. Making sure she gets over the eyelid for the eyeshadow. She attempted to brush her eyebrows, but the glue kind of took shape and held them stiffly. Adding a little more contour for her eyelids. And we're adding some translucent powder to set the contour.
"20 minutes later."
The eyebrows are done. She uses tape to help assist with the eyeliner and eyeshadow process. Okay, I got a little crazy trying to center her. And our eyeshadow palette is Wonderlust by Color Story. You can purchase it at Target. And we're using the color Secret. It's a more mulberry color. And she put a little translucent powder under her eyes to catch the drop off of the eyeshadow. Yeah, she was dancing and singing. We had music playing in the background. And we wanted to show you, we got a shirt made by one of our friends to promote the company, the Do and Do Little. We're using white eyeliner because, as you know, she's trying to become the chocolate snow bunny. Okay, I'm getting a little crazy with the focusing and centering. Sorry. She's working inside her tear ducts with the eyeliner. And we're using a white eyeliner pencil for her waterline. Oops! The tape kind of started messing up her eyeliner. We gotta work on that. But she fixes it. Just watch. Giving that eyeliner a wing. And as you see, she's whitening her lower eyelashes. Have you subscribed yet? And clicked the notification? And check out these eyelashes. White feathers. Had to trim them down a bit. Now they are applied. Foundation time. We always use black Radiance in the color Espresso. Blending out the foundation. Now she has some hyperpigmentation spots. She tends to break out from the daily usage of our face mask. She uses a orange or reddish contour to compensate the discoloration and blends it out where you don't even see the hyperpigmentation. Now she's contouring her nose, her upper forehead, under her eyes. and her chin, and her Cupid's bow. I like saying that. Letting it set just a little, and time for the blending. She's going to use that darker contour to define her cheekbones and jowl and forehead. You'll see that in a second. There's going to be a part 2 to this. So basically, this is just a makeup application tutorial. Do you like this video so far? Please press thumbs up. Adding a little more translucent powder to set the contour. And blending out the rest. These lashes are striking. There we go with the darker contour. How's she doing with her blending? How's it looking so far? Now this is a black Courant lip pencil to outline her lips. It's that berry brown that matches her eyeshadow. And we're doing a lipstick called Nude Shimmer. It's a liquid lipstick. We're just placing it in the center. I believe it's such a pretty lip combo. She'll be putting on some gloss shortly. It's a clear gloss. Makes those lips kissable. And we're going to put on some, what is that, blush? Doing a rose tint. Putting it on the chubby cheeks. And there's the highlighter. We're using a color called Paradise, I believe. Putting it on her nose, the Cupid's bow, and above her cheeks and her temples. And we're adding a little bling. We're putting small jewels under her eyes to give them a bigger pop. Now the final reveal. I think this is such an attractive look. And she changed her clothes so she matches her makeup. And our background. What do you think? And a reminder, there's gonna be a part 2. Come back in a few days and see the final look. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. All right, love you back. Bye.